Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to discuss the laws of exponents. So, kung meron tayong expression na 7 cube o 7 to the third power, yung 7 natin dito, tinatawag natin yung base. At yun namang 3, tinatawag nating exponent. So, yung buong expression, tinatawag natin siyang power. The exponent of a power indicates how many times the base multiplies itself. So, ibig sabihin, yung exponent natin, yun yung nagsasabi kung ilang beses natin ita-times yung base sa sarili niya. So, halimbawa, yung ating 7 cube, no? So, ibig sabihin, yung base natin ay 3 beses nating imumultiply sa sarili. So, 7 times 7 times 7, and that will be equals to 343. So, halimbawa, 4 to the fifth power. So, ang exponent natin ay 5, ang base natin ay 4. So, ibig sabihin, 5 beses natin imumultiply yung 4 sa kanyang sarili. Okay? So, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and you will get the product of 1024. So, the laws of exponents, also called the rules of exponents, are mathematical rules that describe how to simplify and manipulate expressions involving powers. These laws apply when working with numbers or variables raised to exponents. So meron tayong 7 rules of exponents or laws of exponents. We have number 1, product of powers; 2, quotient of powers; 3, power of a power; number 4 is power of a product; 5 is power of a quotient; number 6, zero exponent; number 7, negative exponent. So number 1 rule, the product of powers. When multiplying numbers or variables with the same base, simply copy the base and add the exponents. So very self-explanatory. Kukopyahin lang daw natin yung base at i-add natin yung kanyang mga exponent kung tayo ay mag-multiply ng numbers. So, ang rules lang nito, dapat parehas ang kanyang base. With the same base, kukopyahin ng base, i-add ang exponents. So, to express this rule, so x raised to n multiply by x raised to n. So, kukopyahin lang natin yung base, which is x. Then, i-add natin yung component. So, m plus n. So, to give us an example, so 2 to the 6th power multiply by 2 cube. So, kukopyahin natin yung base, which is 2. Then, i-add lang natin ang exponents, with 6 plus 3. So, pansinin natin na we have the same base, which is 2. Then, we simply add the exponents. So, that is equals to 2 raised to the 9 power, which is equals to 512. So 5 cubed multiplied by 5 raised to the fourth power. So the base is 5. Then we simply add their exponents, 3 plus 4. So that will be equals to 5 raised to the seventh power. So that is equals to 78,125. So let's have practice problem here. So for number 1, 3 squared multiplied by 3 squared, simply kopyahin natin yung base, which is 3, then add the exponent. So simply 3 to the fourth power, or that is simply equals to 81. Number 2, that is 5 squared multiplied by 5 to the fourth power. So that is 5 yung base. Add the exponent, 2 plus 4, that is equals to 5 to the 6th power. Number 3, a to the fifth multiplied by a squared. So simply a to the 7. Number 4, 2s squared multiplied by 4s to the 7. So what we're going to do is simply multiply yung ating mga numerical coefficient, which is 2 times 4, times yung ating variable, which is s, then simply add their exponent, 2 plus 7. So simplifying our terms, that will be equals to 8s to the ninth power. For problem number 5, so negative 3 squared multiplied by negative 3 cubed. So simply negative 3, that is our base. Then the exponent will be 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 rather. So that is equals to negative 3 raised to the fifth power. That is equals to negative 243. For number 6, s squared t to the fourth multiplied by s7 t cubed. So simplifying, so s is our base. Their exponents are 2 and 7, so 2 plus 7. And for the variable t, the exponent is 4. The other one is 3, so t raised to their exponent, 4 plus 3. So simplifying, that is s to the 9, t7. Rule number 2, the quotient of powers. When dividing numbers of variables with the same base, just copy the base and subtract the exponents. Ayan. Kung magdi-divide naman daw tayo, nung mga numbers of variable na may same base, simply copy the base and subtract the exponents. So, simple-simple. So, ang base natin, parehas, x. So, yung mga exponent natin, isusubtract lang natin. So, x raised to n minus n, provided that x is not equals to 0. So, dapat hindi 0 yung ating base. Okay? So, say for example, 3 raised to 7th power all over 3 squared. So, ang base natin ay 3. So, isusubtract lang natin yung kanilang mga exponent. So, that is 3 to the fifth power. And that is equals to, ibig sabihin, 5 beses natin siyang imumultiply yung base sa sarili. So, that is equals to 243. Say, for example, y to the 6th power divided by y squared. So, ang ating base ay y. Then the exponent, we subtract the exponents. So 6 minus 2. So that is equals to y to the fourth power. So let's have practice problem for this rule. So s to the 12th power divided by s to the fourth power. That is equals to simply s, 12 minus 4. That is equals to s 8 power. So 3, 9 minus 5, that is 3 to the fourth power. So for number 9, so S, yung ating base, the exponent is 12 minus 4. Then T, 8 minus 4, that is simplifying the terms, that is S to the 8 and T to the fourth power. So for number 10, so 36 divided by 4. Then the variables, so A, 5 minus 4. And B, 8 minus 5. So simplifying, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So A, B, Q. So that will be our answer for number 10. Rule number 3, power of a power. When raising a power to another power, just copy the base and multiply the exponents. So quantity x raised to n raised to the n power. So, kukopyahin lang natin yung base, which is x, then imumultiply lang natin yung kanilang mga exponents. Okay? So, m times n. So, 5 yung base, ang exponent ay 2, then raised to another power, which is cube. So, simply 5, 2 times 3, that is 5 to the 6th power, which is equals to 15,625 if you're going to simplify it. So a cube, then to the fourth power. Okay, a cube to the fourth power. So simply A, 3 times 4. So that will be A to the 12th power. Rule number 4, power of a product. When raising a product to a power, distribute the exponent to each term and multiply individual term. Okay? So we simply distribute the exponent to each term or to each variables and multiply individual terms. So meaning AB to the n power, naka-raise siya sa power. So simply equals to A raised to n multiply by B raised to n. Okay? So nadidistribute ang kanyang power. So yung A meron ding raised to n at yung B raised to the power of n. So simply A to the n, B to the n. Okay? So say for example, yung 2x natin, cube, no? Quantity 2x cube. So that is, didistribute natin yung cube dun sa 2, multiply. Dahil sabi dito ay multiply individual term, so multiply din yung x, distribute yung power which is cube. So that is 8x cube. So let's have practice problems. So 3 squared raised to the fifth power, that is simply 3 times 2 raised to 2 times 5, that is 3 to the 10th power. So A is equals to 3 times A raised to 3 times 4, that is equals to A to the 12th power. So 2 cube, i-distribute natin yung cube doon sa 2, then yung A squared to the third power. So A is A raised to 2 times 3, that is 8A to the 6. So again, for number 4, simply 2 raised to 2 times 2, A 5 times 2, B cubed times 2. So that is 2 to the 4th, A to the 10, B to the 6. Then 2 to the 4th, simplifying the 2 to the 4th, that is 16, A 10 to the power 8 power of 10, B to the 6th power. So number 5, so simplifying, negative 3 to the squared times A raised to 2 times 2. So negative 3 is 9, A to the 4th power. For number 6, S squared T to the 4th raised to 3rd power. So simplifying, S 2 times 3, T 4 times 3, that is simply S to the 6th, T to the 12th power. Rule number 5, power of a quotient. When raising a fraction to a power, distribute the exponent to both numerator and denominator. So, quantity A over B to the n power, i-distribute lang daw natin yung exponent sa parehas sa ating numerator and denominator. So, ibig sabihin, A to the n over B raised to n. Provided that B is not equals to 0. Dapat yung denominator mo hindi 0 kasi mag-error siya sa ating calculator. No? So, magiging siyang infinite. No? Okay, so x over y to the cube to the 3rd power. So, simply distribute the power. So, x cube over y cube. So, let's have another practice problem. So, s over t to the fifth. So simply distribute. So s to the fifth over t to the fifth power. So problem number 8, 3 to the 9 over 3 to the fifth. Then i-squared natin. So yung nasa loob pa lang ng parenthesis, pwede na natin siyang i-simplify. So that is, ano no? So 3, parehas ng base. Then isusubtract natin yung ating exponent. So 3, 9 minus 5. So that is, then kopya yung ating power, which is 2. Then simplifying 3 to the 4th to be squared. Then another rule. So that is 3 raised to 4 times 2. That is equals to 3 to the 8. For number 9, simplifying this equation, then we will have s squared t8 over r squared. For number 10, So, simplifying yung ating 36A, 5 minus 4, B, 8 minus 5 all over 4. Okay? So, sinubtract na natin yung mga exponents. Then, naiwan yung 4 sa ilalim, raised to 2 or simply squared. So, 9A B cubed squared. So, that is simply 81A squared B to the 6th power. Rule number 6, zero exponent. Any non-zero base raised to 0 equals 1. So, any number raised to 0 is equals to 1. No? Any number. Any non-zero base. No? So, say for example, A raised to 0 is equals to 1. Provided that that number is not equals to 0. So, 50 raised to 0 is equals to 1. Yung nakakulong sa parenthesis na 5x squared y to the 4th raised to 0, that is equals to 1. Negative 21 raised to 0, that is equals to 1 also. So, any non-zero base raised to 0 equals 1. So, rule number 7, the negative exponent. Kung makakakuha tayo ng negative exponent, kung gusto natin gawing positive yung exponent, we simply get the reciprocal of the base and raise to the positive exponent. No? Katulad ng x raised to negative m. So, para daw maging positive yung ating negative m, gagawin nating positive. Gusto nating maging positive yan, kukulin lang natin yung reciprocal. No? So, sabihin, 1 all over x positive, raised to positive m, provided that x is not equals to 0 again. So, halimbawa, meron tayong x raised to negative 3. So, gusto nating maging positive yung negative 3. So, ibababa lang natin. Gagawin lang natin denominator yan. At 1 ang numerator. So, kukunin lang natin ang reciprocal. So, that is 1 over x cubed. So, let's have practice problem number 1 to 4. So, ito, no? 3 to the 9 over 3 to the 5th power. So, pwede mo na siyang isimplify yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 3 raised to 9 minus 5, power of negative 2. So, simplifying, so that is equals to 3 to the negative 8 power. Then, since gusto nating maging positive yung exponent, so kunin lang natin ang reciprocal. So, problem number 2. So, 2 squared is 4. So, 4x raised to negative 1. Kukunin natin ang kanyang reciprocal. That is 1 over 4 over x. So, babalik na rin natin. Babalik natin yung x sa taas. That will be equals to x over 4. For problem number 3, so simplifying this. So, negative 4. I-distribute natin yung exponent, ano? So, 3 raised to negative 4. Yung x, negative 2 times negative 4, that is positive 8. Kaya, x to the 8th power. Yung y cube multiplied by negative 4. So, y is equals to negative to the negative 12 power. No? So, na-distribute lang natin yung power na negative 4 sa lahat ng terms. So, 3 negative, raised to negative 4, x power to another power. So, negative 2 times negative 4. So, malinaw na, no? So, y 3 multiplied by negative 4, that is y negative 12. So, simplifying. So, since yung positive, yung x8 ay positive ang kanyang exponent, so lahat ng negative ilalagay lang natin sa denominator. So, x8 all over 81 y 12 because 3 raised to the 4th power is 81. So, number 4, so simplifying again. So, 36 divided by 4 is 9. A5 minus A4, no? So, that is A. So, yung pareho sila ng base, A. So, dadalhin mo yung A, 5 minus 4. Then, B2 to 5, wala siyang katulad. So, mananatili siya sa ilalim, raised to negative 2. So, para maging positive, ibababa daw natin yung ating, kukunin natin yung reciprocal. So, simply, babalik rin natin or i-distribute natin yung power, ano? So, i-distribute natin yung power doon sa loob ng ating parenthesis. So, 9A, so 81. Now, 9 squared, that is 81. A squared, so 81A squared. Yung B raised to 5 times 2, so B to the 10. So, again, so yung reciprocal ng ating fraction, mababaliktad lahat. Yung nasa ilalim, pupunta sa ibabaw. So, B raised to 10 all over 81A squared. So again, these are the 7 rules or laws of our exponents. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!